To enable partners and customers to experience the diversity of intelligent building automation up close, Loxon decided to build the Loxon campus at its founding location in Kallerschlag, Austria. Covering a total of 11 hectares, the building complex combines an office with up to 300 workstations, several warehouses, a hotel and wellness area, a restaurant, an auditorium, and several seminar rooms.
Normally you tend to have an office building, then there's a hotel somewhere, or there are storage areas, and we've combined all of these at a single location. This meant that there were a wide array of building technology challenges to be met.
The various interior spaces of the Loxon campus are all supplied from one technical center.
We have the large heating and cooling distributors in the main technical center. From there, we actuate each zone with the energy valves.
The Belimo Energy Valve supplies all of the important information that Loxon requires for energy monitoring and energy management. In doing so, it combines many functions in a single device, ranging from measurement through control to delta-T management.
In combination with Loxon, this is a wonderful symbiosis because we can record and save the energy data in real time on the mini server and make it available for display on other systems. In the office, we have underfloor heating that we have supplied with floor heating, provided with pressure-independent characterized control valves. This ensures that we have the optimum amount of energy flowing in each zone, in each area, not only in heating but also in cooling mode, as we use different amounts of water. We implemented the cooling via ceiling induction outlets, which are driven by the supply air and supplied with energy through the pressure-independent characterized control valves from Belimo.
Ceiling induction units were also installed in the hotel rooms, which were equipped with electronic pressure-independent 6-way characterized control valves from Belimo, and which were responsible for heating and cooling the rooms.
The advantage of the 6-way characterized control valve is that only one valve is required and that no separate ones are needed for heating and cooling. With the 6-way characterized control valve, we can implement different quantities of water, depending on whether heating or cooling is required. Thanks to this pressure independence, the adjustment of the entire Loxon campus took only 3 days instead of the usual 3 weeks.
The auditorium at the Loxon campus is suitable for larger events and provides space for up to 600 people.
The auditorium has its own CO2 control system, so that we can regulate the air depending on the number of people and conditions in the auditorium.
The in-house restaurant has space for up to 300 guests and is operated from morning to evening. The open kitchen makes it possible to watch the chefs preparing the food. The challenge here for the HVAC planning was to keep the kitchen odors from flowing into the seating area.
In the restaurant area, we have solved this by implementing an inward flow with overpressure on the one hand and simultaneous extraction in the kitchen on the other. And we have installed Belimo pressure sensors to ensure that we always have an adequate pressure ratio there. The other challenge was that the auditorium and the restaurant were to be connected by a large openable door, which means that a number of different ventilation units need to work together. We solved this with Belimo pressure sensors. With the decentralized variable volumetric flow controllers, we ensure that optimum indoor air is guaranteed in all areas and rooms.
With the Loxon campus, it has been possible to create a venue for modern building technology, which thanks to the innovative heating, ventilation and air conditioning solutions from Belimo, offers employees, guests, customers and partners of Loxon optimum room comfort at all times, while minimizing the building's energy consumption.
Visitors from around the world congratulate us for having accomplished something great with the Loxon campus. On the one hand, for the architecture, the design, and the integration in the landscape, but also in terms of the building technology.